Candles can be traced all the way back to ancient Egypt, but they are as contemporary today as they were traditional then. Decorative candles are a beautiful way to change the look of your room and create a welcoming atmosphere. They not only add ambiance, but also style and fashion. They make especially wonderful gifts too, and when they are unique, one-of-a-kind designs, they are even more cherished. And unique doesn't mean difficult either. Making designer candles is actually really easy. This two-part video will show you some really cool decorative candle making with designs that are all one of a kind and all yours. You'll not only find that they are easy to create, but these unique candles are fun to make with your kids as well. Hello from EnvironMolds. Welcome to our unique candle making video. Part 1 of this video series takes you through the steps of making the candle mold using silicone rubber. Part 2 will show you how to actually cast your mold in candle wax. So let's get started. To begin, you'll need a gram scale, some foam core board, a transparent mailing tube, Mold Right 25 silicone rubber, a glue gun and glue sticks, an X-Acto knife or box cutter, scissors, and a marking pen. Creating unique candles means finding unique objects which can be made into beautiful candle molds. That means you must scout around for an object that you can mold into a candle. In this example, we made a flea market find, a 17th century style oriental figure. We thought it was the perfect size for candle making. But eBay, rummage sales, and attics are a great place to find one-of-a-kind novelties that you can transform into beautiful candles. To build the mold box, we are using a piece of foam board for its base and a transparent mailing tube for the sides. But you can use a deli container, a large plastic cup, or even a plastic bottle with its top cut off. You just need a container that provides at least an inch in between the model and the walls of your container. It also needs to be a few inches higher than the highest part of your model. A hot glue gun is used to secure the model to its foam base. More hot glue is also used to secure the mold tube to the foam core base. Make certain to use an extra heavy coating of glue around the base of the cylinder. A heavy glue coat at the base prevents possible mold rubber leaks. Next, we open the Mold Right 25 silicone rubber kit. It contains a pint of silicone rubber base and separate catalyst, along with a mixing container, latex gloves, and a mixing stick. We used 2 kits for this project. The empty mixing container is placed on the gram scale, and the scale is zeroed out by pressing the tare button on the scale. The white-colored base is opened and emptied into the mixing container. Mold Right 25 silicone has a 10:1 mix ratio, so we weigh out the base first, which is the 10 component. The gram scale shows 453 grams. That means we'll need to add 45.3 grams of catalyst. Reads 45.3 grams, which is 1/10 of the base we just added. Now we can begin mixing the 2 components together until there is one homogeneous color without marbling. It is very important to scrape the sides and bottom of the container for a complete mix, or you'll get unwanted soft spots in your mold. Now pour the mold rubber into the mold container in a high, narrow stream and remain pouring it in one spot to reduce air bubbles. Fill the mold container to at least 1 inch higher than the highest part of the model. Once the mold is filled, wrap the sides for several minutes. This helps air bubbles to surface and break up. set the mold aside undisturbed for 3 hours at room temperature to allow the mold rubber to cure. After 3 hours, the mold rubber's surface is tested for firmness. If firm, it is ready to demold. For demolding, you'll need a sharp X-Acto-type knife and scissors to cut through the plastic container. A sharp knife is used to slice down the side of the mold cylinder to free it from the silicone mold inside. Once the silicone mold is free from its container, we use the knife to make a serpentine slice about 2/3 of the way down one side of the mold, or even a bit more. This is called a zipper cut. It allows the mold
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
And you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life, and I won't look back ever again.
No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up, stand tall, you can get through it all. I need some energy, anxiety's no friend to me. I have a short memory, I don't really remember things. That's how I move on, that's how I stay strong. A new day's on, I'll keep moving right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear.
take you through the steps of adding a wick, melting wax, casting the candle, and demolding it, preparing it to brighten up any room. Please hit the subscribe button if you wish to see more videos like this one.